Okay guys, mabuhay maligayang pagbabalik sa aking YouTube channel at syempre may bagong update si Chris Aquino tungkol sa kanyang kondisyon at syempre nabanggit na rin ang kanyang tungkol sa love life at syempre natuwa ang marami dahil for the end time makikita mo talaga kung gaano niya rin kalab sila Kim Chu at Miles Ocampo or vice versa kung gaano kamahal nila Kim Chu at Miles Ocampo si Chris Aquino. Talagang eto nga ang post ni Chris, medyo mahaba-haba pero iksiyan ko na lang yung iba. So, ginamit niya nga muna sa simula ng video niya, ang kanyang, ay, ng picture na yon ang kanta na, of course, yung lyrics ng Tell Your Heart to Beat Again. Of course, parang may kinalaman pa. Alam naman natin kung tungkol saan yon. So, anyways, so, dito nga nagpasalamat siya at sinabi niyang, Thank you, Chinita Princess, Miles Ocampo, Darla, Dr. Rainier, Tanago, he's my pain management doctor, and Dr. Hazel David MD. I haven't posted anything because I didn't want all those praying for me to feel sad and lose the faith. May I clarify, I'm not yet fit to work because I'm very underweight, 37 kilos or 82 pounds. My deal with my team of doctors, Dr. Jombi, Dr. Janelle, Dr. Katsu, is now mourning the loss of her father, and Dr. Rainier, is that my WBC doesn't fall below 5.54 4 straight weeks. My hemoglobin improves to at least a 9.5. My anemia is both hereditary and nutritional, and my weight holds steady at 90 pounds, 40.8 kilos. Previously, I enumerated 1 autoimmune thyroiditis, 2 chronic spontaneous urticaria, 3 EGPA, a rare life-threatening form of vasculitis, 4 systemic sclerosis, 5 lupus, SLE, and 6 rheumatoid arthritis as my diagnosed autoimmune diseases. Added to that list is 7 fibro, myalgia, ang hirap ng banggitin ng iba. I have been exhibiting confirmatory symptoms for 8 polymyositis as well as 9 mixed connective tissue disease. Beam said, Mama, you belong in X-Men because you're a mutant. Those closest to me now joke, may nadagdag na naman ba sa autoimmune collection mo? My ready reply is, cry baby for now ang ino-hoard ko. Kung kilala nyo ako, songs I choose reveal feelings I prefer not to elaborate on. Having complicated autoimmune disease and being allergic to all NSAIDs, steroids, pain relievers, as well as antibiotics and immunoglobulin therapy, many times the physical pain is overwhelming. So, I've always been honest with all of you. For some time now, I have been single. No boyfriend, so clearly no fiancé. I never gave details while we're a couple, so it makes no sense to elaborate now. So meaning, hiwalay na uli sila nung sinasabing doctor. Thank you for your love and concern. Hindi susuko, tuloy ang laban. So ayun nga, nilinaw ni Chris na single uli siya. At syempre dito naman, the song tells where your heart is. Eto, marami kasing nag-offer ng prayers again for Chris Aquino kasi nga alam naman natin sa dami ng minensyon na sakit na hindi ko mabigkas na nga talagang kailangan talaga, sabi nga ni Chris sa isang na post na nabasa ko, no, parang dahil sa ang dami-daming nagdadasal sa kanya, talagang naniniwala na, kung sabagay totoo naman, na talagang mahaba pa rin talaga ang kanyang pampahaba ng buhay ang dasal. Di ba gano'n naman talaga yun? Kung milyong tao nang nagdarasal sa'yo, siguro naman talagang nakakarating sa Diyos ang lahat ng dasal na yan. But for now, nagpapasalamat si Chris. Natutuwa lang ako personally na nakikita ko si Kim Chu, si Miles Ocampo, na talagang parang katulad pa rin dati nung nasa position si Chris. I mean, nung kasikatan, yung very active sa showbiz, yung marami talagang ganap. So, after now, hindi kinakalimutan nila. So, ganoon talaga ang tunay na magkakaibigan o tunay na parang kapamilya mo talaga na kahit anong mangyari, nasa itaas man o nasa ibaba, parehas lang, talagang parehas mong pakikisamahan, parehas mong mamahalin. So, again, ang panalangin ng marami ay gumaling talaga si Chris because, talagang ang dami-dami ang nag-aabang kay Chris na gustong-gusto nang mapanood siya. Pero for now, hindi pa siya fit to work. So, yun na muna for now.